Getting out after 4 days of this massive snowfall, and even today the roads are not cleaned up, and what's cleaned up has piled on, and there is ice on the driveways. That little one is trying to help his father clean up, and this reminds me of what I saw long back in '79 in Lahore Spiti, crossing a pass of 15,000 feet which had got blocked in a massive snowfall. Here it's not very easy to hold a camera for a little longer, and this situation in Burlington is way better than what I'm told is elsewhere. But for me, it's quite a tough situation, and for me to hold my camera any longer is a tough job. So I stop here and put my camera back in my pocket and my gloves on.